Hi lablabs! You're watching Lablab TV.
Hello mga lablabs! Welcome back to our channel! In this video, I'm going to share my review for Xiaomi Redmi Note 10s. This is Xiaomi's brand new smartphone for the Redmi Note 10 series and was released in April 2021. I bought this phone a few days ago but wanted to use it first before sharing this review. I bought the 128GB with 8GB RAM, and that is for 11,999 pesos. It will also be less than 10k if you will get the 64GB or 4GB of RAM. But take note, the higher the RAM, the better the phone performance. So this phone is available in 3 colors. We have gray, blue, and white, and I got the gray. Let's check what are the other things inside the box. We have the transparent silicone case. There is a pin that can be used to remove the SIM card from the phone. We also have the warranty card. The quick start guide or the user manual, and the safety information manual. We have the charger, and we also have the USB Type-C cable. So basically, what comes in the box is the phone, the USB Type-C cable, charger, transparent case, and user manuals. Headset is not included, just like the other new phones in the market. Here we can see the details of the phone, like the camera, the display, the processor, and how fast it will charge. The phone is very smooth. It has AMOLED display with Corning Gorilla Glass 3. On the back, we can see the 4 cameras. The camera, by the way, is 64 megapixels. It also has the LED flash. The back is plastic, but it's very smooth and it looks durable. Of course, the front is glass and it's very smooth as well. The phone has 3.5mm jack. It also has FM radio. The battery is 5000 mAh and it will last for more than 24 hours. The charger is very amazing. It's very impressive. It has 33 watts and it is fast charging. It will only take you 1 hour for your phone to get fully charged. Let's set up the phone and get started! This is where we can check the settings of the camera. We can select from 1.1, 3.4, 9:16 or full photo. We can also zoom in or zoom out, and we can set the camera at 64 MP. By the way, the power button is also the fingerprint scanner. This is where we can change the settings for the video. Here we can change the setting from 720 to 4K resolution. We can also zoom in the video to up to 6 times. These pictures are from the back camera with 64 megapixels. These are from the front camera with 13 megapixels. This video is also from the front camera with 1080 resolution. This video is from the back camera with 4000 resolution. Thank you guys for watching our video. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click on the notification button for you to be updated on our next videos. Bye!
Hi, lablabs. You're watching Love Up